Fixed and rolling equipment maintenance. Carrying out the work we do in our fields and plants requires a plethora of fixed and rolling machinery. It is therefore important that our maintenance staff inspect this equipment and carry out regular maintenance to ensure optimum performance. We are fortunate that we are able to rely on our fixed equipment maintenance engineers, mechanics, and electricians, who always do an excellent job of keeping our equipment safe, functional, and compliant. Fixed equipment maintenance. Our fixed equipment maintenance engineers must carry out both preventive and corrective maintenance. They are always on the lookout for the minute details that help them to detect potential anomalies or faults. They must ensure that everything is working properly in the plant and that daily maintenance is carried out in a rigorous and meticulous manner. On top of their preventative work, maintenance engineers must also be organized, ensuring they remain up to date with schedules for any maintenance to be completed on a weekly, monthly, or annual basis. If a machine needs to be inspected, they will review all of the criteria included in the work order. It is therefore essential that they have good coordination skills and attention to detail to make sure that nothing is missed or forgotten. Every day is different in the life of a maintenance engineer. Between carrying out daily inspections and juggling sudden equipment faults, they must be prepared to intervene quickly. Our experts are versatile and have to work several different roles all at once. They work across several different specialisms, including pneumatics, welding, and hydraulics, as well as the management of electrical issues. They also provide general troubleshooting assistance and look for solutions to allow the plant to continue its operations if something goes wrong. It is sometimes necessary to seek help from a technical specialist when the problem is invisible. Fortunately, the plant can also count on its team of electricians who work in rotation to ensure they are constantly on hand to provide support. Our maintenance team really is the right arm of the plant supervisor. In the event of a fault or breakdown, the team must estimate the resulting downtime and ensure that the correct decisions are made. Then, the supervisor must determine whether the production currently in progress should be suspended or resumed during another shift. They must be incredibly resourceful and have a sharp mind. Rolling equipment maintenance. Rolling equipment maintenance experts are responsible for ensuring that this type of machinery is functioning correctly. Our employees are committed to their work and take great care of their machines to keep them well maintained and safe. Our mechanics need to have strong analytical skills, as they are often called upon to detect problems or defects and then resolve them as quickly as possible. Our employees have to be very flexible and must know how to prioritize. Inspecting such large machines is no mean feat. Our mechanics have good stamina, as their job involves lifting heavy loads and working in often uncomfortable positions. They also have excellent knowledge of the various equipment on our sites, such as trucks, tractors, and forklifts. Our mechanics demonstrate vigilance and rigor on a daily basis when repairing these impressive machines. In addition, communication is another important aspect of our mechanics' day-to-day lives. Whenever preventive maintenance is required on a piece of equipment, they have to communicate with other teams, such as factory and field employees, to plan their work at times that will minimize any interference with ongoing activities. In short, maintenance trades require resourcefulness, stamina, and unmatched coordination, and our employees have all three in abundance. Thanks to all our fixed and rolling equipment maintenance staff for all of your excellent work.